is Taquita, and I'm back with another video. So you guys, I will be cooking today. Let me show you guys what I am going to cook. So go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe, and enjoy this video. So this is what I will be cooking. More like a little seafood type of thing, but this time I'm not going to do the lobsters in here. I'm going to do the shrimp, the potassium, corn, potatoes, and I'm putting a few eggs in here, and we have Chinese rice that I will be using, and I have a few pieces of fish right here in this bag. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get this video started, and I'll be back with you guys a little later on, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so now I have my sausage cooking. I hope that looks good. Over here, I got the shrimp soaking in water. And I'm gonna get ready to put those on. Okay guys, so the sausages are ready and they are good. So I'm gonna get ready to take them out. And over here I got corn boiling. So I'm gonna let that boil while I take the sausage out and start the shrimp. So you guys, I got the shrimp on now. Looking marinated. Good. So now I'm getting ready to boil my eggs and my potatoes. Okay guys, so I got a few pieces of fish on, and I got my potatoes on. So the other thing we will be waiting on is the potatoes. And this is how it's looking so far. I'm adding the eggs in now. I'm trying not to get too close. I don't want to get burned. So yeah, you guys, this is what it's looking like now. Okay guys, so I am done preparing. And hope that looks good. And then a few pieces of fish now. And rice. Chinese rice.
Yes, I want Chinese rice.
Say hi, you guys.
Hey guys.
So once I fix the girls' plate, I'll be back with you guys before we start eating.
Bye.
You're doing it, Mama.
Just remember.
Look good on it. Yeah. You ready? Yeah. So you guys, this is my plate. I pretty much doubt I'm gonna eat all of this, but I just want to show you guys my plates.
Look at, you want to show my plate?
Yeah, I told them your plate, baby.
Look at that, and it's good. Cause Mama cooked
Brianna plate.
Oh, Mama cooked the next food in well.
Yeah.
And Mama, my mommy cooked the best food.
So you guys, sorry about the fan being on, but while I was cooking, I got a little hot, and I felt like the air conditioning wasn't good enough, so I had to turn the fan on for a while. So if you hear the noise, it's the fan in the background, but this is so good. So guys, I want to say that I'm sorry I haven't been uploading like I should.
Guys, this corn is good.
As you can see, it's almost time for me to have the baby. I only have
Guys, this
three.
corn is
Hold on,
good.
baby. Hold on. I'm talking. I only have.
Mommy, you never let me talk.
Hold on. I'm recording. Sit down for me. Sorry, guys. I only have 3 weeks left. So, and plus, I've been in and out the hospital. If you watch my last video, oh, I got food everywhere already. I've been in and out the hospital, so I haven't been recording much at all. I just been resting. I'm sorry, resting a lot and kind of focus on my health and the baby health. He's fine. We're just waiting on his arrival. So while I was doing this video, I was just thinking, you know, I should let you guys know what's going on. So this is what's going on. It's almost time for the baby to come. So I'm slowly getting the video done, but I'm getting it done. So you guys just bear with me. And I want to say I'm sorry. And of course, when all this is over, I am going to be dropping videos back to back. So you guys stay tuned for that. But while I was feeling okay, I went ahead and did this video for you guys to give you some kind of content. She want to show you guys her corn.
This is good.
Yes, it's good. It's sweet. So yeah, you guys, that's what's going on. And the kids are so excited.
This is delicious. I love you, Mommy. We kept the bag for you well.
Is it good, Brianna?
This is my tummy. Good.
Good for your tummy?
Yummy in my tummy.
So you guys, I like my little sauce. I like my sauce a little brown, a little burnt. It just tastes better to me.
No, never stop. Never time to listen to this video.
Yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this video.
This is good. Mommy, you cooked the best Chinese food.
My baby said I cook the best food. They miss my cooking. And I have not been cooking. These last, hold on. Okay. These last 2 months, I have not been cooking much at all. And my kids miss it, which I understand.
Yeah.
There's no cooking like home, like a home cooked meal, but like I told the girls, it's almost over with, so I don't have it. I know they miss my cooking.
Yeah.
I miss it.
Yeah.
And this corn is so sweet.
And this fish is good. So good, so good.
And I normally don't eat in front of you guys, but I feel like I needed to talk to you, so that's what I'm doing. You say excuse me?
Excuse me.
Okay.
Excuse me. Excuse me. I keep burning, Mommy. I keep burning. Sometimes, but
And yeah, I got sweet tea to drink. Lord knows I don't need tea. Mommy, are you so loud? Lord knows I don't need sweet tea. But I had to have something to goggle this food down. You know what I mean? Fell on my shirt. Yeah, look at my clothes already. And I'm not even done eating. guys, I'm gonna go ahead and finish my food. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did, and I hope I gave you guys a good update on what's going on. Sorry about the baby, she's getting upset. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here, and I will see you guys on my next video. Peace.